Hi and welcome back to the video. Let me show you how to extract data from PDF file to your Excel or CSV file in these 3 easy steps. The first step is to go to the PDF24 Tools, and over here just type in convert in the search bar and you can see options. So PDF converter is the tool we want, so click it and click here PDF tool, so you will choose the formats. And you can choose your files or drop your files here, and to do that I will minimize this and I will now just drag and drop the file here and drop it here, and you can see 3 pages. And if you click this drop down menu you can see all the different formats that you can convert your PDF file. Let's go with this Excel here, click it and click convert, and after the job is done click here download result and we'll download this on the desktop. Okay, I'll replace the old file. And you can see your PDF over here. And now just double click it to open it with your Excel, or you can open this with LibreOffice if you want, or we have a third option, and third option is to open this with our Google Drive. So I will go to my Drive and I will now just drop my file to the Google Drive here, and you can see the file, and now double click it and it will open up in Google Sheets, which is a free version of Microsoft Excel. Free and easy to use. If this guide helped you out, let me know in the comments below. Also hit subscribe button for more videos like this. And if you want to save hours every week, you can check out this video over here that will show you how to use PowerToys and be faster on your PC. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.